Takot ka bang mag-nurse sa ibang bansa or mag-OFW? Di nga. Yung totoo, takot ka nga ba? Well, don't worry kasi I was there in your shoe once. It was like 10 years in the making bago talaga ako fully nag-decide na mag-abroad. So I can definitely much feel you. So ano ba yung rason? Is it homesickness? Dahil ba sa pamilya, ayaw mo mawalay sa pamilya mo? Is it because you're too scared to start a new life kasi komportable ka na and you're in a stable position, kahit papaano may naipon ka naman o promoted ka naman or regular staff ka naman, things like that? Or is it the thought or the idea of na parang baka walang mangyari sa buhay mo or baka wala din namang, di ba, when you go there like nothing is going to happen? Is it because of that? So I want to find out kasi when you go abroad, talagang hindi siya madali. It's not an easy decision. It's gonna change your life. It's for the good or it's for the good, for the better, and sometimes it can be bad too. So I'm not gonna sugarcoat kasi it depends talaga. It depends on your experiences. But before you finally decide to go abroad, you have to know your whys, the purpose. Why are you going abroad? What is it to you? Para saan ba yan? Para kanino? Para saan? You have to answer those. Kasi kung masasagot mo yon, things will become easier. Kasi kung magpe-prepare ka lang naman, everything is already on the internet at the moment right now. If you want to go abroad, you can search for that particular country kung gusto mo and learn about those things. Although, talagang pag nag-abroad ka na, that will be the time na you will be able to adapt and learn from different culture, languages, people, iba-ibang kultura and things like that. But I'm sure if you love what you are doing, I'm sure it's gonna be really easy. But first and foremost, you have to know your whys. You have to know the purpose. Ano ba talagang rason? Ba't gusto mo mag-abroad? Baka you're just going on the trend. Baka dahil na-pressure ka lang sa pamilya mo or baka kasi lahat na kasi sila, yung mga katrabaho ko, yung mga kaibigan ko, nag-abroad na lahat. That's not the right reason because you're just riding in somebody else's dream. You have to make and build your own dream. Dapat para sa'yo kasi ikaw yung mag-abroad eh. Ikaw yung tatahak ng landas na gusto mong tahakin. It's not gonna be them. At kahit itanong mo pa sa lahat, sa mga kaibigan mo, yung mga naka-abroad or itanong mo sa akin, my answer to you and their answer will be different because we have different experiences. Kahit similar country pa yan, like we all have different experiences. So, kung gusto mo talagang malaman kung ano yung buhay abroad, it's for you to find out. You have to be here. You have to really, because I always believe that you will never know unless you try. That's the idea that I would want to make. Kasi nga, their experiences will be different to yours. Kaya you have to really ultimately find out kung bakit. And you know, ako kasi naniniwala ko all the time na parang kung wala mang mangyari, assuming for the sake of argument na walang mangyari, well, at least you've tried. Hindi ba? No regrets ka kasi nasubukan mo na eh. Kaya nga, bago mo sabihin na that thing is not for you, subukan mo muna. Di ba? Pero ikaw ba? Ano bang kinakatakot mo?